Hello everyone, this is Bunny's Creation. I'm from Japan. Currently today I'm going to show you how to use Japanese washing machine which name is Toshiba and the washing machine model is AW7DSW which is 7 kg washing machine, and today I'm going to show you how to use this washing machine perfectly. Let's get started. First of all, we should definitely connect this line on the electricity board. Then you should be definitely connected on this line with the water pump. After that, the washing machine product, there have so many program are available on the washing machine. First of all, you have to be start this one. Then other than my washing machine already running, that's why it's already in my previous program are already set it inside the washing machine. Let's get started to showing the whole of the process. First of all, I put a cloth on my washing machine. Here's the get inside model. I get inside. Then this one is start button. Okay, this one is start button. It's kanji like that. I'm going to be start or something else, I don't know. As a foreigner, I don't have so much known as a kanjis. So there have something is off button like this one. If I press this one, the whole washing machine would be off, like this one, off. So let's get started again. Then there have some others option for choosing your product, like as drying for fashionable clothes or for blankets. Some others option you can translate by Google for your switchable product. Then I have switched this one, like as this one is a standard, and I usually using this option for my daily purpose. Then this one is on, Susugi, this one is on, and this one is on. And I usually set my water level as 45 liter, because that I'm a single person, I don't need so much product for wash. So that's why I using this one. If you have more than, then you can use 53 liter or 60 liter as well as. And my option is the set it is a kind of middle. It's a middle naka kanji, it's a middle, and the all of thing is kind of bit of same. Let's get started again. And after set this function, you have to be click on this one. This course option is available whenever you'll be change the other option, like as a fashionable dress or drying or cleaning the inside the pump or something else. You can be use this one as a other things like. Okay, I don't need the other option right now, so I need to be started as a standard. And this one is sutato, like as stato. It's a katakana written by katakana as stato, sutato. Okay, then start. See, my washing machine already started right now, and it's going to be started as well as a daily as well as the normal process. And my washing machine and my whole of the clothes will be washed, and it will be drying after completed the wash. Thank you very much.